In this video, I will show you how to connect to a free VPN on Windows 10. Go to Settings. Click on Network and Internet. Click on VPN. Click on Add a VPN connection. Double-click on it. Now give it a name. Now you need to give a VPN server address here. You will get the address from the internet browser, so open an internet browser. Search for vpngate.net. There are many free VPN servers here. Choose a server from here and copy it. Paste the copied VPN server address here. From here select SSTP VPN type. Now you need to enter the username and password. You will get the VPN username and password from the Gate site. Your username and password are VPN. Now enter VPN as your username. Enter VPN as your password. Click on Save. VPN is now created. Now click on your VPN and click on Connect. Now the free VPN is connected to Windows 10. This is how you can connect to a free VPN on Windows 10.